I'm out with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 SanDisk Extreme 32 gig card formatted into the camera at the moment. And we'll see if I have any issues of it continuously recording when I hit the stop recording. The STOP, because I got voice command on. So I hope you understand what I said. With the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, I leave my camera on all the time. So I do my video, my vlog. I get about, I'd say, 60% battery used. I'm happy. So the 32 gig card would do me just fine. I'm doing one of these. A turn, that is. I didn't make a gesture to shut the camera off. I guess the Insta360 doesn't know bike terms. Well, I figure I'll just use my camera, test it out, and I'm on Leica Vivid. I'm not going to change anything on this video and keep it on Leica Vivid for the whole video. It's not a nice day. It's nasty. It's got rain in the air, fog in the air, and the sun not out. I like the big blue LED. I do. That tells me the camera's recording. I love the big blue LED. And then the camera shuts down. It just stops recording. I understand that voice command and hand gesture works, does a nice job when you need it to be at. Well, I'm not doing anything action. I am doing action and vlogging. So I gotta be careful of the words STOP, START, because we all know what's going to happen, and showing the high five. Oh, yeah. Now, Insta360 did get with me, and I explained them my trouble, gave them the 2 videos, and they thanked me. They told me what to do. And I did exactly that before I sent them the email. And it was protocol answer. I told them, now I'm waiting upon their return note. So this is my test seeing if the camera's gonna do what it's supposed to do with the Insta360 card causing the STOP continuing recording when I hit that button. Well, not all shots are going to be what you like, and before this vlog and test, you notice that I was in the rain and it worked out quite well coming down. The camera didn't get any water on it, but it had a couple of little spots. And yeah, the one thing I loved, no lens flare. It did an excellent job just doing what it's supposed to be doing. Well, my voice has been heard 300 feet up ahead. I have with me is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and everybody's waiting for that Action 6 Pro to hit the market. And you probably see all the videos and the information posted out there already. And they talk about the Ronin and the Action 5 Pro and what's soon to come with DJI. I don't know. I didn't spend time going down to the NAB in Las Vegas, or if it's coming up here. And I'm happy that the Insta360 working. Definitely was the Insta360 card that caused me issues of and continued to go on. And I don't know why that particular card failed to work in the camera when everything was taken care of. maybe there is a file that's on there that caused the issue. And I asked the question, I think, to TTC, an excellent gentleman doing his videos, his share of the world. And he said he hasn't tried an Insta360 card, but he is going to get one to try it out so he can find out if it's a well worth purchase, as well as being an Insta360 who makes that card for them. Well, it's not SanDisk. Maybe it's Kingston. Maybe it's Samsung. I don't know. I'm not the one who created the card, made the card, and given it to Insta360. But wouldn't you think Insta360 would say who makes the card for them? Peace, don't work, prosper. That is so cool. Put the peace sign up, and you get a 3-second countdown for a photo. So there's no umbrella chip in the Insta360, so we can have a photo while video. Those days are long gone. Those are the days when we had the GoPro Hero 4 Black. Remember that? We were able to take photo while doing video. They disappeared. Got rid of it a long time ago. So there's the Insta360. On each of the sides, you have a button that you squeeze in that opens up the screen. Strong. You're able to adjust it to the angles you want. So imagine if you're upside down and you're in a crowd, you're able to see what you're shooting, or if you're down low and you want to get that angle. But it doesn't have any attachments on top to do that. So to get that shot, you probably have to get yourself a different type of mounting system. I had troubles with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I had an issue with the card and Bluetooth to the camera, and I'm happy now. I resolved the issue. So if you're new and you get the camera and you're trying to figure out what's wrong, come to Ghostbusters. We'll help you out. We'll find the answers for you. And then this way, rest assured, your camera's just fine. If it's a DJI, because everybody's talking about how they don't love the color profiles. More or less, they do love the color profile. Well, I am going to put you away because this is the camera that's gonna be working hard to get some tests across that I gotta see if it's gonna be a keeper. It is a keeper. I say things out loud, what I think, like and dislike, to the camera of what's happening, so you can get an idea in real life. Man, I got in trouble. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna go find Ghostbusters and get it resolved. And on that note, back to the Insta360 Ace Pro and its vlog. Mic enabled, and I'm on that page, and I put my hand up for a hand gesture to start. It kept on flashing. Flash, 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 flash. This page does not support hand gesture. Now, I know I could set it up where the mic automatically comes on. I'm not sure why I had to hit enable. Well, I did a talk with this camera here. Do I need to adjust you down some? There you go. And it's going to be added in before this clip. And the only thing difference I did now, I changed the field of view to the very top one. I'm not 100% sure what these field of views are. I'm just used to being at linear plus horizon, then linear, then wide, ultra wide, and super ultra wide. Now they put different names to this, and I'll get used to it for sure. May go off road just a little bit, a little bumpy. Yeah, man. See, I got my hands on the bar and I'm using my mount, this mount here over there, and I have it in the front sticking out. And I use that for the Insta360 One X4. Now I'm waiting upon the mini remote, still not available on Amazon. And I was offered the opportunity to make a purchase on April 1st, late in the evening, under 24 hours, with a 24-hour pass and under. I said, why couldn't you give me just a little bit more time? Because by the time I got it, I only had 12 hours to make a decision. And I guess I passed up that free shipping. I should have taken the offer. I would have saved $3. Sometimes it's not about the saving, because I wanted to get the mic mini. I got the mic mini fish. It's right here. I wanted to get the mini remote, not because of the Ace Pro 2, for the X4. So this way I have it on that big selfie stick. At least I can hit the record button. And when I need to use it, instead of hitting the camera. That's the only reason I would want to get one. I got to watch out, got left and right. We all zig and zag on the road, and got to be a little safe, looking around for my surroundings. Well, I am going to end this blog talk, do a little editing and all that good stuff. You may want to look into the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 yourself. And when you get yours, you're going to take the time to learn it. And you're going to come across a couple of issues and say, man, Fish was right. It took me not just an hour to learn the camera, but a couple of tries, a few tries, maybe a day or two, maybe I forgot a setting, but I became a pro at it as soon as I opened up the box. Are you a pro at everything that you do out of the box? I'm sure you are. I'm not perfect. I make a mistake and I learn from them, and that's what this video is all about. Learning from the mistakes that we make. And on that note, I'm Fish. It's time for me to turn you off. My test will definitely say it was that Insta360 Pro card that caused me a hiccup. On that note, peace and prosper. Oh, before I go, I saw a 3, 2, 1 count when I went peace. Yes, it did it. It took the shot when I did the peace sign. Later.